Welcome to this video. We are going to see Jira, which is a tool for the Scrum Master.
Jira Mastery. First one is the flawless foundation, second one is the execution, and third one is the insight. The architecture that is really good with an intent of core architecture, configuring, clean setup, and prevents future gears. The second one being right size your setup, meaning your system, and the third one is to better offer with a speed which could be and then your data, the data should be governed, it should be accurate, and integrity, which is important, secured. Now, how do you go about your real workflows? A simple one might be to do in progress done, but possibly in the real-time scenario you have backlog, then it moves to the development, then there is a code review, and for the code you have to do a QA, then with UAT, and final stage is the done status. So this could be a possible workflow which everybody will understand. Agile teams, one is the engine of Jira section, where you have single source of truth for all the work items, which involves tasks, sprints, and progress, along with the visualizations. However, Confluence will have all the points that could encompass Jira, offering sprint plans, retrospectives, and the technical documentation. Scrum, which is a small Q&A kind of approach, wherein the developers explain what they have done yesterday and what is the work item that they are going to follow today. Retrospective is something where you learn about the weaknesses and convert into a positive print board, where it shows like the WIP limits. Then there are quick filters at the top, where in order to capture only one developer, you want to check what are the items that are there in progress items, or to do items, and done items. Yeah, progress, which is independent, where it can be developed and delivered on its own. Then the part where it is negotiable, or it could turn into a contract which is negotiable, and then estimable, where you can estimate the effort, and it should be small, which is a complete divided concept, which could be having a clear acceptable criteria, or you could say definition of done. Now, using JQL, you might have some questions. Yeah, the simplest form of JQL is kind of an English language conversation, where you say that in this project, which do I select and what type of task do I select. Where velocity and health dashboard are the common ones, where you can see what is the progress, what is the time elapsed, and then the work completed, which can be viewed all at one go for a single sprint, so it works. And the cycle time chart, some of these reports do help you down. And how do you plan it, or how do you scale it? That is one kind of visibility that Jira offers. Now, automation engine is a kind of the next level process, where you can clone any kind of issue into it. You could also have tasks and then the subtasks within it. Could really help. One is the technical tab, where the refactoring, dependency upgrades, and code cleanup could be the purpose. Spike, where time box research to resolve a technical or explore a solution would be a kind of situation that you could encounter. Then the NF, or non-functional requirements, which are not even tracked in any sense, but yes, you can explain using the comments or in the description. And yeah, even a chaotic Jira also reflects a chaotic process, and whatever you do will reflect in Jira with a, say, clean data rich automated Jira will reflect a high performing team, but it also looks otherwise. Okay, we'll catch up in the next video.